Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and all folks in between, and welcome to another episode of Aunt Millicent's Cooking Show. And welcome back to the show. Today's the first day of fall, and instead of welcoming the fall, I thought we'd give summer a big send-off. Today I'm going to be making a summery dessert, and it's called Creamy Pineapple Dream. It has a lot of my favorite ingredients in it, and I'm sure it has yours too. So without further ado, let's apron up and let's get started. Okay, let's get right to the ingredients. The first thing you're going to need is some instant vanilla pudding, okay? They're out of gel at the store, but this one's just as good, okay? The next thing you're going to need is a 20-ounce can of pineapple. The best thing to get is the crushed. I accidentally got chunks instead, but I want to just crush them up and put them in there. The next thing you're going to need is about 8 ounces of Cool Whip or any sort of whipped cream. So this is a perfect container. It's the perfect amount, so just go ahead and buy it and it's perfectly fine, okay? The next thing you're going to need is 2 cups of miniature marshmallows. Any brand will do, okay? The next thing you're going to need is some coconut. Not everybody likes coconut and it's optional, okay? But I tend to like a little bit of coconut, especially if it's, in a good recipe. So there you go. So approximately a cup of coconut, okay? And then you're going to need some pecans, okay? Or pecans, depending on what side of the Mason-Dixon line you're on. So you'll need a half a cup of these. And guess what? That's it, okay? So without further ado, I want to start stirring some things. Okay, y'all, we are ready to mix. This is going to be the easiest recipe I think I've ever made on the show. So what I've done is I've got a pretty bowl here, and I put my pineapple in it. And what you want to do is make sure you keep the juices. Don't throw them away. Okay, so you've already done that. Oops. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our instant pudding and pour it into here. The pineapple juice and the pudding are going to interact, okay? And that's the deal, okay? So put that guy in there and mix that up real good, okay? And you're going to have all your other stuff ready here in just a minute to go in, or I've already made everything ready. So, wow, that smells good. I love pineapple. Pineapple is like candy to me. I mean, pineapple flavored candy is just redundant. So mix that up real good. Okay, that's going to be your first step. The next step is going to be to take your whipped topping / Cool Whip. Okay, and that's going to go in here too. We're going to mix that up. Okay, mine's a little hard because it just came out of the freezer. Okay. Okay, that has to go in there. Oh, that might take a little bit of stirring. Okay. Then the last 3 ingredients are going to go in. So get your marshmallows ready. You're going to need 2 cups of mini marshmallows. You're going to need a full cup of coconut. That's working pretty good. I think it's softening up as I put it in there. And then you're going to need 1/4 of a cup of pecans. And if you buy those little bags they have at the store, wow, that looks really good already. You're going to be fine. Okay, so I'm going to mix this pretty good here. And let's just go ahead and take care of business. So you're going to add a cup of mini marshmallows, okay? There's our beautiful Pioneer Woman measuring cups. I love these, okay? And then we have half a cup of coconut. And make sure it's sweetened, okay? Don't get the unsweetened kind. If you are not a fan of coconut, and some people are not, they don't like the texture or whatever, just leave it out, okay? And then our old Georgia favorite pecans, okay? I don't care how you say it. Just get out of the way while they're in the room with me, okay? Because I love pecans. And obviously, if you have a nut allergy, leave them out, okay? Okay. And so we're going to give that a nice stir. Make sure you get those marshmallows pushed all the way through here. And honestly, I don't know how this can't be good, okay? So what you're going to do now is you're going to chill it. You're going to chill it probably about 2 hours, okay? You're going to get it good and thoroughly chilled, okay? And that'll give everything a good chance to reach equilibrium. And when it comes out, it already smells delightful. And I mean, you saw what I did here. I just shoved everything together. So Give yourself 2 hours in the fridge and come back and it'll be ready. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. I feel like I owe you all some more entertainment. Maybe I should dance or something. No, probably not. I'll probably run most of you off. But anyway, there you go. Okay. So check back with me about 2 hours and we'll give this a try. Okay, y'all, we made it to the dining hall and I have my creamy pineapple delight in front of me. And it came out nice and solid. It solidified itself. So let's take a quick bite, see what we think. Very nice. It's sweet. It's the pineapple's obviously the driving thing here. The interlaced pecans taste fantastic. I would say if you don't like coconut, to leave the coconut out because there's strings of coconut in. Some people like that, some people don't. It really depends on you. Okay. Some of you guys have noticed at the end of my show that I send you all off with a glass of wine. I wanted to advertise this. This is one of my local. This is Chateu Elan. It's one of our local wineries here. I live in. Some people already know this, but I live in Northeast Georgia, and it's fantastic. They have little seasonal wines in there. They have a kind of a fruit tinge to them. This one's actually raspberry, even though it's great based and everything. It has like a twinge of raspberry. So wanted to give them a shout out. I love using my local farmers and my local folks here on the show and giving them the love they need because there's nothing better than good food. So with that note, I wish everyone a very happy and healthy bon appetit. Look, don't you want to be on a TV? You don't want to be on TV? Huh? This boy, he's so sweet, but he's bashful. Look, you don't want to be on TV? Look. Hello. This is my buddy right here. He's a good boy. Yes, come here. Say bye. Bye, everybody.